When teaching your child about emotions, it's really helpful to use materials that are important to your child and will really engage them. My favorite is using television. This is a great tool for 3 reasons. Number 1, you can use whatever show your child likes. Number 2, you can increase or decrease the number of opportunities based on what your child needs. And number 3, it's a natural reinforcer. When they start to identify the emotions, they begin to see another dimensions to one of their favorite things. Doing this is really simple. Make sure you prep your child that you're going to watch the show together and pause it every once in a while. And when you pause, it gives you a chance to point out the clues about the situation that you want your child to attend to. Look how high his eyebrows are, see how wide open his mouth is, how do you think he feels? This method requires very little preparation and can be great fun for your child as you're teaching. Have a good time teaching emotions.